Hi everyone, welcome to this Lucas Studio tutorial series. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about calculated feed and how to create calculated feed in Lucas Studio. Calculated feed is very important in Lucas Studio, and it helps us to perform math calculation, data transformation, and logical evaluation. You can see different examples of math calculation, data transformation, and the logical evaluation that we can use to or perform. You can use calculated feed to create in Lucas Studio. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive updates on all the weekly tutorial I shared on different data analytics tools and skills. Now let's get into the business by start creating calculated feed in Lucas Studio. Now this is the sales data, and I want to calculate my revenue. I want to calculate cost of goods sold, and I want to create a feed for a gross profit in my in this in Lucas Studio, in this using this sales data. So all I need to do is to create a feed for each of these category that I've mentioned. Create a feed, and to create a feed, go to the bottom right at the property panel and click a field. Click add a feed. Once you click that, it will bring us to this particular interface, and all you need to do is first give your feed a name. And the first feed, calculated feed, that we want to calculate is revenue. So I'm going to write revenue. So I'm going to write that. So we want to calculate sale revenue, and sale revenue is quantity multiplied by price. So no, we can decide to drag here, or you can decide to click on it. So all I need to do now is to write my formula, which is quantity multiplied by price. That is my formula. And then now, once you've done that, once you have completed the formula, make sure that you wait until this green icon is seen. So once the green icon is seen, you can now then add, you can click on this and also click done. But the green icon shows that the formula is accepted and correct, and if it shows red, it means that the formula is incorrect and the feed will not be created. So now that the new feed has been created, just click on that. The new feed has been created and saved. Then click done to go back to this place. So now you can see the revenue that we've created now. So now if you want to check that, just create any visual. I would prefer table to show that. So now put it here. Sorry, put it on the metrics. We are using metrics. So put it on the metrics. So can you see now that we have our feed created? Our feed is being created now. Our revenue is being created. And then such in case that you did not see your calculated feed after you have created it, you can try to refresh the browser, and just all you need to do is refresh the browser here, reload it, and it will definitely refresh your data, and you can check it. So now, if in case you want to edit your formula, maybe you want to add something to your formula, just go to the formula, the field that you created, click here, click on this FX. You can decide to edit the formula after you have created it. You can decide to edit it. So now the next one that I want to create now is the cost of goods sold. Click add a feed again, and cost of goods sold is cost multiplied by quantity, which is cost multiplied by quantity. So click this one also. Okay, give your feed the name. So that's cost of goods sold. So now we have created this. Done. So this is our cost of goods sold. Our cost of goods sold has been created. So add it to your matrix again. add it to your matrix. Okay, I need to add this again to my matrix. So add it to your matrix. You can see now that it has been, or what's it called, it has been created. So now, assuming that this particular name, maybe we have some issue, some error in the name, or I want to make it uppercase. I want to make the name uppercase. All I need to do now is I will create another feed for it, such that I want to perform a data transformation. Create another feed, then I will just write customer name. Let me just write this CN, and I will just write equals to, I'm using, I want to perform a data transformation now. Upper equals to customer name. That's all. And once, okay, sorry, I use equals to, I'm already used to equals to sign. So now it has been created. Click on that, then done. So now, in case you want to check for that, all you need to do now, put it here. So you can see now that our, or the name has been capitalized. You can see now, this is the calculated field that we created. It has been what's it called, capitalized, instead of using the what's it called, sentence case. So we use the uppercase for it. So this is how to perform some basic calculation in Looker Studio. And then we are going to be calculating logical evaluation, such as if and some if in a Looker Studio. Watch the next video for this, and also make sure you click on this, on the subscribe button, to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button. Share, like, comment, and also give me your feedback.